Welcome to Latest Auto Pro, your #1 spot for everything automotive. Today we have something truly special, the brand new 2027 Ford Mustang LEGO Technic Shelby GT544. If you love cars and LEGO, this is the ultimate combo. Let's dive in. This LEGO Technic masterpiece is inspired by the legendary Ford Mustang Shelby GT series, and it takes things to a whole new level. The GT544 is a futuristic take on muscle car engineering, and LEGO has done an incredible job capturing its aggressive design and powerful stance. Some key highlights of this set include a highly detailed 1:10 scale model that replicates the real Mustang Shelby GT544, a working V8 engine with moving pistons giving it an authentic feel, a fully functional steering system, and independent suspension for realistic movement, an aerodynamic body design with signature Shelby stripes and racing details. Now let's get into the assembly. This set comes with hundreds of precision-engineered pieces, and putting it together is a satisfying challenge. The LEGO Technic engineering makes sure every part fits perfectly, creating a model that not only looks great, but also moves like a real car. Once assembled, this GT544 is an absolute beast. The level of detail in the engine, interior, and chassis is impressive. The rear spoiler, custom wheels, and side vents give it a performance-focused look, making it a must-have for Mustang and LEGO fans alike. So, is the 2027 Ford Mustang LEGO Technic Shelby GT544 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a collector, a Mustang enthusiast, or just love building LEGO sets, this is a perfect addition to your collection. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Latest Auto Pro for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next video.